The real analysis exposed goodbye to Shiba Inu coin Shiba and new prices too far come from the significant pivotal level of 178 cents to make a strong comeback. For now, expect to see price action consolidate around current levels slightly above 1,000 cents before another round of tail risk will come back to bite price action and trigger another drop in value. Shiba price looks set to slip below 1,000 cents. Trigger a trust crisis amongst investors, and finally settle at 507 cents. Losing another 60% today, we are going to talk all about why real analysis of Shiba Inu coin and why it's going to plunge soon, so watch this video till the end. Because today's video is going to be a game changer. Hi there, welcome to Crypto News Today, your daily dose of crypto updates. If you are interested in everything around Shiba and other crypto news updates daily, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you don't want to miss any SHIB news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on 15th of June. Shall we shift symmetrical triangle-like structure, expected breakdown due to the token's previous downtrend. The fall below the 2 cents level marked an over 63% plunge toward its 8-month low on 13 June. Over the last month, the alt saw descending triangle on the daily time frame. The recent breakdown reaffirmed the bearish strength. As a result, the gap between the south-looking 20 EMA and the 50 EMA Scion has been hitting a record high. With relatively lower trading volumes, SHIB still stood fragile near the 8-cent Sunday. Given the current sentiment, a reversal from the immediate trendline resistance could intensify the bearish propensity. In this case, the potential target stood in the 68-cent zone. Should a sudden spike in buying volumes occur, any breach above the trendline resistance could be short-lived by the 20 MA. After testing the 38 mark several times, the RSI took a substantial plunge into the oversold region. From here on, our revival. I'm sure you are enjoying this, right? Keep watching because there is more you need to know. It's plausible, but would likely be short-term. While the MCDE lines undertook a bearish crossover below the 0 mark, the indicator suggested a selling edge. Furthermore, the squeeze momentum indicator continued to take its position below to equilibrium whilst flashing gray dots, thus depicting a high volatility break. Now let's get back to the topic SHIB bringing. You has garnered an audience that is now too huge to be ignored, and thus in order to justify its existence and its investments. The meme coin has been making attempts at rapidly developing its ecosystem. Shiba Inu burns. Last week, the network began with a chip. The metaverse land sales, and around the same time, it also announced the launch of its SHIB burn portal, which has been making strides in its own ways. The portal within a week has recorded over 20 billion SHIB being burned out of the circulating supply. This burn feature is actually the user's choice, and it does nothing more than show their dedication to making SHIB a sustainable and valuable currency by instilling a false sense of pride and accomplishment. Shiba Inu is simply trying to find a way to turn the joke of its existence into a legitimate purpose. Since for obvious reasons, a currency with trillions in supply will never hold a high value. But even with the burn feature, SHIB is a long way to go, since the meme coin is not even worth once a TS at the moment, so reaching $1 is beyond dreams. Plus, instead of increasing, the price SHIB has only been falling further. After the 14% price fall in the last 72 hours, SHIB fell to a 7-month. Trading at 2,083 cents as it is, investors weren't particularly happy with the coin's price action, which is why between March and today, over 7 tick SHIB holders have exited the market, and now with this development it has only become much more difficult for them to maintain their dedication and commitment to the altcoin. Regardless, the network continues to gain support from brands and other companies such as the Shiba Inu-inspired burger joint Welly announced that the SHIB decentralized community would receive 15% ownership of the whole company, and the use of the funds for burns or other purposes will be controlled by the community through the Bone.do. Thus, support from the community and attempts at keeping up with the trend is helping Shiba Inu stay relevant, but when it all comes down to utility and foundation of the chain, SHIB might notice a decline soon, as it cannot ride the hype for too long. SHIB price set to trigger a confidence vote amongst investors. Shiba, the new price, is not really falling on the right side of the trade these past few weeks. A SHIB is set to close at the week with a 5th consecutive loss. By doing so, investors and traders must start to be fed up with the almost pubertal mood swings the cryptocurrency is having, and being an outlier when cryptocurrency markets are rallying, and SHIB price being one of the few that is bleeding at that exact moment. expect to see more outflow of capital funds, making the price action less supportive and possibly triggering a falling knife. Soon. SHIB price still has the 1,000 cents big figure in its corner, backing price action and consolidate above for now. But the backpack of geopolitical issues and tail risk is growing by the day as more unresolved issues are putting too many question marks around the secured path forward. Expect with that uncertainty and the sometimes unpredictable price moves in SHIB, investors start to lose confidence and could trigger at least another test at the 10,000 cents psychological level. Should that level be breached again, expect to see share price axed in half towards 507 cents as investors will be fed up with carrying the loss on their investments and look the other way. One element that could ease the weight of the bearish back packet is when those tail risks can be deflated. That would come with some dovish comments from the Fed or BOE, or if the Ukraine news flows fades further to the background as the situation on the ground stabilizes, they could trigger a quick turnaround with SHIB price back to 1,500 cents and bulls pressing against the red descending trend line to create a breakthrough on the descending trend line and touch 1,708 cents before trying to rally towards 2,100 cents and testing 55-day simple moving average as price cap to the upside. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough wide spectrum research on the topic. We hope you like this video. Let us know in the comments below if you are a Shiba holder, and you can also stand a chance to win a whitelist NFTs. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you guys next time.